welcome to Rajo Minecraft, where today I'm just going to show you something you might don't know how to do, or make Minecraft a vending machine. Pretty easy, and I think so for you. Look, as you may know, this is how you build one, and the steps are quite easy as pie. I'll show you. Step 1. If in survival is bad for you, it doesn't matter if it's survival or not. Need the following: one dispenser, dropper, sorry, and you need 4 of your favorite falling block, another 2 of your favorite falling block, and then you need a favorite slab. Well, it doesn't matter if you need a slab or not. Just gonna show you quickly. So I just chose to this, and then chiseled quartz block, and quartz slab, just to make it look cool. Then what I did is where's the button? The button, put it right here. Then dig a hole here and here and here, and then you dig here. Just put one there. Then you put this. Then redstone, and you do this. Well, I don't need to waste my time doing that, but I was just being stupid. Anyway, then you put this. Da. And as you know, it's an easy as pie. Told you, easy as pie. I just put stuff like here, and then to tell you something quickly. So basically, you press the button. There you go. You got your stuff. Basically, guys, you know there's like in Micro Pocket Edition or even PC, you should find a world generated like. You should find a world generated like this, and there's gravel on it. Watch out where you put your blocks on. Guess what happened? I put a block here. I found this. I was like, what the f? And there's so many deep caves here that I actually can't believe how deep they. Oh, why did I do that? I'm so dumb. I'll just ruin the cave. Anyway, so that's just how to make how to make a vending machine. Now I'm gonna show you if I have time how to make a rail change. You know, like when you mine cart, you wanna change your track. I could show how to make that. I will try. And if I do fail, just comment below down that it didn't work, and then I will update it, yeah? Or wait, I can actually show how to make a hot tub, but let me show the real. And if you want to see how to make a hot tub, just comment down below, and I will show you. So first of all, you need this. You need the following: rail, hard rail, button, okay, and lever. Should be here. And this is how you make one. I need wide space, so you basically do this. Just imagine this is your rail. Now you're about to change direction. Now you do this. Oh, why doesn't it do that? Dude, I think I messed up already. Sorry. So basically, this is your railway, and you just swapped. You go like this. Just stop right here. Then there should be a change. Wait, now what you need to do So wait, that goes there. But you don't want that, do you know? This goes here. And as you know, there's another change of rail. You do this, it turns your rail. But I think I've done it the wrong way. So you do that, yeah. You do this, then sure, yeah. So now we can go there and there. Now you follow the same step. You do this. There's a rail. There's the other way. But you don't wanna go there. Now go this way. Now put a lever here. It isn't real. Now you do the same thing until you come around here. Okay? And of course you press the button. And yeah. This button. And if you can't reach it but you're hitting your thing, you're hitting your minecart, just put it here and put some redstone over here. But don't put it too close to the levers, make it a bit wide, yeah? See ya, guys. Bye.